start at the point where we left in the last lesson. 2 raised to 25 divided by 9. Find the remainder. Why we left it in that lesson was because 2 raised to 25 we did not know the value. So we could not really know how to proceed. So let's learn it here. And let me also tell you that these are the most common type of questions that are asked in exam. So this is a good exam level question. I do not know 2 raised to 25. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the learning curve. So I'm just going to go ahead and do for the values that I know. And I've chosen this 2 because 2 is a very small value. You know the powers of 2. So let's take the successive powers of 2. 2 raised to 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4 and so on. All successive powers. And I'm saying you do this completely while you're watching it. You might even take a pencil and start writing these values till the time that you know. And then these are your dividends. So let's write down the values. So 2, this is 4, this is 8, 16, 32. And I want you to continue. What is the remainder when these are divided by 9? I want you to find the remainders when these are divided by 9. I could do one by one, but I'm still wanting you to have lot of, let's say, patience and courage, and let's write. Till what values do you actually know? 2 raised to 7 do you know? Do you know 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 9, 2 raised to 10? If you don't know till here, then I don't know what you're doing watching this lecture, right? That's the first thing that you should do. You could even go right up till 12 for that matter, right? So the values are 2 raised to 6 is 64, 128, 5, 256, 9 is 512, 2 raised to 10 is 1024. Till 1024, everyone should know. So let's find the remainders. Divide by 9, oh, it's less than 9 itself. Oh, this is also less than 9, this is also less than 9. 9 ones are 9, so 16. So divide it again by 9. 9 ones are 9, what is left over is 7. 9 threes are 27, what is left over is 5. 9 sevens are 63, what is left over is 1. So I hope you know 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 6 is 64. If I have 64 marbles on a table and I am dividing it by 9, I will form groups of 9, 9, 9, 9, 7 groups, 63, 1 will be left. So that is what I am doing. And why have I chosen 2? Because this powers, you know. Why have I chosen 9? Divisibility rule of 9 is very easy. So if you want to do, you could even sum up the digits 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? 11 divided by 9, that is 2. Or you want to do the complete division, 9 ones are 9, 38, 9 fours are 36, 2. Whichever way it is, therefore I said you pick up your pencil and start writing the values on your own. 11, 12, 13, 13 by 9, that is going to give me a remainder of 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, that will give me a remainder of 8. Let me check it. 9 5s are 45, 62, 9, 6 are 54, 54 and 62, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, remainder 7. Those who are strong might also say, I know 2 raised to 11. All you need to do is just double this, 2048. Great. So let's find the remainder when divided by 9. 9, 10, 11, 15, 15. Sum of digits is 15. Divide by 9. That is going to give us 6. 2 raised to 12. Just double this, okay? 4096. You might even reach here. So 9, 9. You can drop a 9 as per divisibility rules of 9. 6 and 4, 10, which is a 1. What about somewhere you are going to stop? And you're going to say, hey, I've lost my patience or else I do not know these. And I want both. So either you have to lose your patience or keep doing it till the time you don't lose your patience. When you lose your patience, maybe you can go ahead and try to observe now. Why I was forcing you to do it? Because you need to write. Okay, so let's look at the remainders for this successive powers of 2. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 6, 1, but okay. So let's have a look again. Oh, I see a 2, 4, 8, 7. Oh, there was a 2, 4, 8, 7. 5, 1. There's a 6, 1. Okay, so let me just check this number again. Let's check when divide by 9. 8, 9, 10, 10 and 4, 14. 14 divided by 9 is a 5, not a 6. Yeah, you want to recheck it again. Divided by 9 completely. 9 twos are 18. That's a 24. 9 twos are 18. 68. 9 threes, 9 sevens are 63. 68. 5 is the remainder. Oh, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. So you should realize that there is a cyclicality among the remainders. And if this is true, let's see again 2, 4, 8, 7, 1, 2, 4 also. So this is where the restart of the cycle. 2, 4, 7, 8, 1. Oh, this is the end of the cycle. This is the end of the cycle. So the next one should be 2. Let's confirm it. Doubling this is not so very difficult. So 2 raised to 8,192. Let's check. 9 you could drop, 8 and 1, 9 you could drop. So the remainder is 2. Indeed, you had to get a 2. So it's going to repeat. And which one do we need to find? We need to find for 2 raised to 25. This is the for 2 raised to 25. I don't know the value, but I want to find the remainder. So could I say this is the 25th term in a cycle of 6 values? What 6 values? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. And so on. So the 25th term in a cycle of 6 values. Here I would not go ahead into details of cycle. This was done in the chapter on finding the units digits. So 6 values will continue. 6 values, 6 values, 6 values. So the cycle will end at 24th term, 6 a multiple of 6, and the 25th term will be same as the first term. And so the first term here is 2. So my answer to this question is 2. It took us some while. I want you to do this process on your own so that you realize what is the difficulty and how can we overcome that. If everything is just spoken out, you will never be able to handle it on your own. Therefore I did, and therefore we chose small values. So let's take a little larger value. Let's find what does the cycle always exist. Here I knew these values. These are very easy. 4096. I can go so far. But what if I did not know so many powers? Then what am I going to do? So for example, let's next move to, let's say, 9 raised to 25 divided by 11. So I'm changing the divisor now. We are moving to 11. Also I'm using 9 because I'm pretty sure you only know up till 9 cube. That too I'm being hopeful. Yeah, 9 raised to 4, the question mark would start. So, and if you don't know till 9 raised to 4, then you cannot go so further into the cycle. Then what are you going to do? So try that and I'll explain that in the next video.